Yeah. So, what do you have there?
I didn't know.
Is it an egg?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so put that egg down for me. Okay. Now, can we count? How many eggs do we have?
1,
Okay.
2.
Mm-hmm. Hey, you're not finished counting, young lady. Can you finish counting for me?
1.
Now you gotta start all over. Here, how about this? You just point at each one, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay!
Now let's
We
crack
have
it.
4 eggs.
Let's crack them.
You wanna crack the egg now? Okay.
You got mine?
Got you a bowl here. Okay? Wait. So, you gotta be very, very careful when you crack them, okay? Alright. Now, yeah, all we gotta do is tap it. Nope, tap it on the side. A little harder. Tap it. What are you gonna do with it? Hold it in here. See it's open? So pull both apart. One side and one. Pull it. Woo! Yeah, see? You put that one there. Hold the bowl as well. Let's crack it a little bit more. Alright, now open it up. Put one. Tie your thumbs in there. You pull it open. Okay? Now put that one there. Yeah. Okay. Now when you crack it, you use your thumb to open it, the egg. Okay? Alright. Yeah. There you go. Alright. Put that one there. Got one more. One more left. Let's see if you do this one on your own. Okay. Your thumbs, yep. Use your thumbs. Put it over the bowl. Get the. Woo! Yay! Okay. This garbage. Because we have to clean up as we cook, right? So that we're not making a mess, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna get you a whisk. A whisk. Yeah. Okay. So what you're gonna do is this.
Okay.
All right. Slow it down. Slow it down so that you don't get any outside the bowl, okay? Yeah. So what you can do is hold it like this. Hold it like that. And now what you do, hold this side of the bowl and go like that. Okay? Yeah. There you go.
It's making change colors.
Yeah. It's changing colors.
It's changing yellow.
Yeah.
It's changing orange.
Oh.
It's changing orange too. Then that yellow on the backside.
Yeah, you gotta get that yolk. Yeah.
I got the yolk.
All right. Yeah. Oh, slow it down so that you don't get it outside the bowl, okay? There you go. You're doing a good job, Cabela.
This is gonna make slime.
Yeah?
Just don't make slime. Make
Just don't make.
okay, slimy and slime.
Okay.
First,
What's next?
that one.
Okay, and so now that we have stopped stirring, right?
And put some salt on it.
This is not salt though. We're gonna put a little bit of garlic powder. So open up the top a little bit. Open it up, okay. Now give it a nice little shake. All right, that's enough. Thank you.
Everywhere.
Yeah, it's garlic powder. We have to stir that in. Okay. Next is the pepper. We just do a light shake. That's it. There you go. All right. Now.
The next one, the salt.
We actually gonna use some salt. Just gotta put a little bit. It's just a tiny shake.
Okay.
No, not upside. That's it. Girl, you trying to make your food all the way salty, girl. Okay? No. Okay. Okay. Keep stirring for me, okay? Keep stirring. You gotta keep stirring till you don't see any of the flavoring, okay? Yeah, get it. Okay.
It's still not slimy.
Okay. So now we have your pan. The pan you're gonna use, right?
Yeah.
And we have what else?
Egg.
Yes. Okay. Now we need one more thing.
Yeah, and put some butter in here.
Yeah, that's what we need. Okay?
Let's get the butter.
Okay, I will get the butter for you right now. Come. Butter. There you go. Now scoop out some butter. Yeah, you gotta. So hit it on the side, the game can come off. Just a little bit more.
Oh, no.
You got it. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Good.
And
Close the top for me, because we got to clean up as we go, remember?
There you go.
We have the eggs. Thank you for bringing me the eggs. Okay, now this is Daddy's part, okay? It's the part that I have to do, because it's hot, and we don't want you to get burned, right? So we pour it in. Right? And we have one of these nifty things here to where we can get it, right? And we could just scoop it all into the pan.
Can I scoop it into the pan?
It's too hot for you right now, okay, booty butt? Daddy just wants you to be safe. So Daddy will do this part for you. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Got everywhere.
Yeah. So now what we do is we wait until it gets a little sizzly. Okay? Until it gets a little sizzly, you guys. We wait. You hear the sizzle and we start mixing. Okay. The finished product is here, Kai. How'd you like it? I also made some sausage just so that she can eat some. But I didn't show the process, you guys.
Ew. Like crossing. Ew.
Yeah, there's the eggs. Try them out. See how they taste.
Spicy.
This is spicy for real. Do you like it?
You put some salt.
Yeah, you put the salt. You the one who put the salt, not me. Everybody saw you. It wasn't me. Do you like it though? Do you like it?
No.
No?
It doesn't taste so good.
But you're eating it though. You're crazy, guy.
It tastes good.
It does?
Mm-hmm. What's that sound?
I don't know. Who is it?
The storm.
Okay.
Bye to this kind of subscribe channel. What you think you not to subscribe channel.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.